Hey there, this is Cindy and I'm coming to you with another wig review, and this one is another luxury wig review. Now this wig is absolutely phenomenal because of how incredibly natural it looks and feels. This wig just feels so incredibly snug to my head, and the hairline is absolutely flawless. Now the reason that this hairline is so flawless is because it is a full monofilament wig. That means that the hairline is supernatural and it can be parted any way you want, as opposed to a partial monofilament where the part basically is where it is and you can't really change it. With this one, I could change this part if I wanted to. This wig is called Sassy Secret and it can be found on stylesbysoma.com. You can check out the link below in the video description, and if you support that link below, you will be supporting me and my YouTube channel and my wig addiction, just being honest there. Now this wig is best suited for people with head sizes anywhere from 20 to 23 inches. It does have an adjustable cap. It's got adjustable wig band that are Velcro. Now this is a synthetic wig, but it is made to feel so natural, and it actually feels like real hair as I'm running my hair through this. And it is heat safe up to 275 degrees for styling. But with that being said, even though it is heat safe, it is better for the life of your wigs not to use heat if you can avoid it. Now this is a sandy blonde wig with really natural gentle waves, and it comes just below my shoulders. If you have any questions about any of the wigs that I show in my videos, please be sure to leave me a comment below and I will be happy to help.